There is definitely a couple of them right over there, but no one in. I can't see anyone. Well, if we move back away from here, they'll have to follow us because otherwise they won't get killed.
Look, they're moving up on our right now.
Yeah, I think we need to get back because this place we're just going to get overwhelmed from two sides.
As they can push is that building that says no enemies, spawn point limit.
Right.
They're gonna go
But they'll just overwhelm us from here and there. We'll have two sides. There's like 4 of us. We should probably move back to somewhere else that's easier to attack or defend from. Because here's not that great. There's too many of them.
Was that our guy in the bunker?
That was our guy in that bunker.
Do you know what tea?
Red.
Yeah.
Oh, Victoria's
on the bigger days, like you can try and put people on them as much as you can.
Yeah. It's alright. Wow, is that a guy just there behind that tree?
Yeah.
Okay, watch out, Tom. There's a guy. Yeah. Directly in front of me.
So in the CQV and they're moving up into the tree.
Yeah, he better be.
They're taking out.
That's the guy.
Yeah, he's behind the tree. Watch out, guys, just over there.
Moving cover.
No, I probably shouldn't.
We're not allowed. So I tried it before. Not allowed to move the fires either.
I'm not sure how far I can move. It's actually firing.
Yeah.
I can't see shit.
I couldn't either, but I got a couple of
goes.
guys with invisible BBs. So.
I can't tell who that is. I think it's Alex.
Alex
AK
did move
Tate
round from the left. Wooden gun?
Yes, I think so.
Sounds like Alex.
I think he's the orange bands on him. Right, we've got friendlies to the right.
There's a guy in that bunker down there.
Where?
One, see that? That bunker just there at the end.
Who's that to the left?
What? Who's that on the left there near that
Well, he's
tree?
going to get pinged because there's a chap behind this front one here.
That's Alex with his AK.
Yeah, that's his friendly.
That's friendly.
I think so.
Coming up behind the bunker.
Yeah, he's friendly. Right, let's move up.
Don't move! Move up! Move up!
Oh, okay. Oh, the guy going up, stand up.
Go left! Go, don't bunch up, stick on your file, go down the bank. Use the sun behind you, it'll blind them. Who's that on the left flank, Rick? Far left. No eyes. No idea.
Tuxedo? He's
Those
good.
ours?
He's good.
No, further up front.
Oh.
Two guys up here anyway. No idea whether that's on fire or not.
It is. Yeah, that's right. Actually, I've gotten enough to scare him to move right. Yeah, they're moving back round.
Jake's been hit.
Seriously, you keep sneaking up on me and it's terrifying.
Little fudge you were shooting at.
There were a load of people on the ridge, but they just buggered off that way.
Okay.
So now I think
Let's move
we're
up
just...
then.
Jacob's been hit over there, so I think someone else is in the fort. Do you want to move over there, see if you can clear it out?
Yeah,
We've got to watch your back, because we've got our those on the spot. Yeah, she's got it up. Where do you see whereabouts?
They're in the fort. Oh, I'm moving up that big tree there.
Then of course the surges, they're too spread out.
You what?
As soon as all them get back to the spawn point, they're going to be able to regather and surge as well.
Yeah.
And we've just kept it around everywhere, so.
They're definitely going to fall.
Straight ahead. Straight cover there. Huh? Straight cover, straight ahead on the right hand ridge with a tyre in front of it.
Oh, right, yeah.
It's been there a while now.
Yeah. You get a shot from Tom?
He shouted something, I don't know what he shouted.
Huh? You get a shot at all?
No, I'm in here. How do you get shot when I'm in here?
No, can you?
Oh.
Yeah. Okay.
Start.
Okay.
Guys, move up.
Time for an age, you think?
If you can get close enough. Oh, smoke.
Where?
Oh, there. Which one you got?
Frank.
Smoke, smoke. It's on the right hand ridge. Can you push up? Can you see that guy behind the tyre? The bit that covered with the tyre in front.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, he's hit. Fuck me.
Can you help us?
Sometimes he's fought.
You get a camera at 5 these.
Another one running
Okay,
down
they
the
can
hill.
see. Hey, Tom, they know where you are.
Down, man.
There's a bunker behind you, Dan.
That's pretty obvious. Actually.
Huh?
They're shooting constantly.
Steve up there still.
Steve's there, yeah.
Steve, who's with you?
Steve! Steve, this way!
Steve, who's with you?